In this video, I'll show you how to sell courses with WooCommerce. Let's get straight into it. So for example, we've got this yoga course. Okay, so we've renamed the add to cart button to enroll. This is with the AIO checkout plugin, and we're actually bypassing the cart page since it doesn't make sense for this particular product. You can leave the cart page in if you wish. So I've just set this so it takes us directly to our checkout page, and we can actually scroll down, fill in our information. And then when we actually purchase this product, okay, here you can see the course. And then here we've got this message prompting us to start this course. So if I click on it, we'll have access to this yoga diet course now, and we can go through the lessons. Okay, so if you want to create a similar setup on your WooCommerce store, so we'll need the LearnDash plugin. So just head over to learndash.com. Go ahead and download this particular plugin, and we'll also need the all-in-one checkout plugin. So just head over to AOV Up to download this particular plugin, because this will help us bypass the cart page and create all kinds of upsells. Okay, essentially just optimizing the checkout process. So with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. Okay, so I'm assuming you've already got WooCommerce installed. So the next thing we need to do is install two other plugins. So we'll be using LearnDash, and we'll be using the LearnDash connector for WooCommerce. Okay, so I've already got LearnDash downloaded, so I'm just going to upload it now. Okay, so we'll also upload WooCommerce for LearnDash. Okay. And we might as well enable the all-in-one checkout plugin as well, because we'll need it later on. I've already got that one installed and activated here. All right, so with all our plugins uploaded to our site, let's go ahead and actually create our first course. Okay, so we'll navigate over to LearnDash and then courses. All right, and then we'll click add new to create our first course, and then we'll just give it a title. Okay, so we'll say healthy yoga diet, for example. And we can add some description and also a featured image as well. So we'll click course and then featured image. And now we'll build out our course. Okay, so we'll click on builder. Now let's add our heading. All right, and now we'll actually add our lessons. Okay, so we'll hit save to draft. And now we'll go ahead and edit this particular lesson. So you can add all your lessons and then click save to draft, and then just go ahead and add in the content for your individual lessons. Okay, so we'll just add our video here. It can be a self-hosted video as well. All right, and we can add a bit of description supporting this video. Okay, we can also add separate quizzes and assignments to each particular lesson. Okay, so if you click on this option here we've got some LearnDash specific widgets. Okay, we can show the course progress bar as well. Okay, so you can customize it according to your particular requirements. So I'm just going to hit update. Okay, under settings, here we've got some additional information regarding this particular lesson, right? So we can show the lesson material. We can force students to watch the entire video and so on. Okay, so I'm just going to head back over to our main course section. In fact, let's make sure we publish this course first. I remember we set it to draft, but it wasn't published. So I'm just going to change this to publish. So we'll head over to WooCommerce products, and then we'll just click add new. All right, and then we'll just give it a name. We'll name it the exact same thing as our course name. Okay, so I think it was healthy yoga diet. We'll just fill out our product information just like any other product. So we'll add the price, add our featured image. Okay, but the key thing to note is here where it says product data, we need to change this to course. All right, and where it says LearnDash course here, we need to select the course that this particular purchase will give them access to. Okay, so we've linked our course fine, and now we just need to add a purchase note. So we'll navigate to advanced, and then here where it says purchase note, we'll go ahead and paste this here. Okay, so I've got this link from the LearnDash website. So let's actually replace this URL with our own website URL. All right, so let's just hit publish product, and now we can view the product page. There's one more thing we need to do to link this to our LearnDash enrollment. So let's copy this URL. Let's head back over to our dashboard. Let's go LearnDash and then courses. Let's edit this course, and then we'll go settings. And then for the access mode, we'll set this as close. And then here for the button URL, we'll add in our product URL. Okay. All right, so let's hit update. Okay, and this looks fine. So the default functionality of a typical WooCommerce store is we'll add it to our basket, and then we'll go ahead and view the cart page. And then we'll go ahead and check out. Okay. Since we're selling courses, we might want to optimize the flow slightly. Okay. If it's a situation where your customers will purchase multiple courses, then by all means, keep the cart as part of the flow. However, to speed things up, we can just bypass the cart page and then just take them straight to the checkout. Okay. That's where the all-in-one at checkout plugin will come in. So I'm just going to head back over to our dashboard and then we'll navigate over to all-in-one at checkout. So AIO checkout here. And then I'm going to enable direct checkout. Let's enable this. We can rename the add to cart button to say something like enroll, or we can just leave it as the default. It's totally up to you. All right, let's hit save changes. And we want to take it a step further as well. So we want to actually optimize the checkout page as well. So I'm going to quickly create new checkout. Okay, and then here we can actually remove some of the fields which we don't need. So for example, shipping, we can just hide this field completely. We can add new fields to our checkout page. So we can add survey questions such as where did you hear from us, which can feed into our marketing and so on. So I'm just going to navigate over to design and then I'm going to select this pre-made design here. We can custom build a checkout page, but I'm going to select this one. We can do the same for our thank you page as well. Just going to select this one. And let's just enable this, set it as our global checkout, and then let's just hit save changes. Okay, so now when we refresh this page, okay, now it says enroll. And if we click on it, it should take us directly to the checkout page. And then the customer can go ahead and purchase this particular course. So we can actually add upsells and order bumps using the all-in-one at checkout plugin. This particular countdown timer as well is powered by the all-in-one at checkout plugin. So let's just go ahead and make a purchase. So our payment's been made successfully, and currently on our back end, we've actually set the orders to be auto complete. If it's on hold, then they'll only see this purchase note once you've actually marked the order as being completed. Okay. So here we've got this purchase note, which we added, and it says start this course. So now if I click on this link, we've got access to this particular course. Okay. And we can view the lessons and then just go through the course. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you got any questions, leave it in the comment box below.